Did you know your body has an amazing ability to keep your legs strong, active, and healthy even at 94 years old? In this video, we'll share simple, powerful habits inspired by 5 legendary Japanese scientists who've transformed our understanding of health and longevity. We'll dive into the magic of vitamin D, a key nutrient for boosting leg strength, and explore daily practices to keep you moving with ease. By the end, you'll know how to harness your body's natural power to strengthen your legs, stay energized, and live a vibrant life. Let's start with Dr. Yoshinori Osumi, a Nobel Prize-winning scientist who discovered autophagy, your body's built-in system for cleaning and repairing cells. This process is like a housekeeping crew, clearing out damaged parts and building stronger, healthier cells, especially in your leg muscles. We'll also learn from Dr. Takayuki Teruya, who studies how fasting boosts metabolism and strength. Dr. Shigeaki Hinohara, a longevity expert who lived to 105, shares wisdom on staying active and eating mindfully. Dr. Yumiharu Ishihara, a trusted doctor for Japan's leaders, teaches us how to fuel our bodies for vitality. And Dr. Hiromi Shinya, a gut health pioneer, shows us how the right foods and habits keep our legs strong and our bodies healthy. First, let's talk about vitamin D, the superstar nutrient for your legs. Vitamin D is like sunshine in a bottle, helping your bones, muscles, and joints stay strong. Without it, your legs can feel weak, your balance might wobble, and walking or climbing stairs can get tough. Studies show low vitamin D levels increase the risk of muscle weakness and falls, especially as we age. But the good news is you can boost your vitamin D easily and keep your legs ready for action. Dr. Osumi's discovery of autophagy ties in here. Autophagy repairs your cells, including those in your leg muscles, and certain habits like fasting and exercise make it even more powerful. Pairing these habits with vitamin D can keep your legs strong even at 94. So how does vitamin D help your legs? It helps your body absorb calcium, which keeps your bones sturdy and prevents fractures. It also strengthens muscles so you can walk, climb, and move with confidence. Research shows vitamin D reduces inflammation, improves muscle function, and lowers the risk of conditions like osteoporosis, which can weaken your legs. Japanese health experts, inspired by Dr. Osumi, say combining vitamin D with a healthy lifestyle unlocks your body's ability to stay strong and resilient. Now, let's explore 3 simple Japanese-inspired habits to boost your leg strength and overall health. First, get more vitamin D naturally. Your body makes vitamin D when your skin meets sunlight, so spending time outside is a great start. Dr. Shigeaki Hinohara, who worked until he was 105, loved daily walks in the sunshine. He said they're not just for vitamin D, but also for keeping your legs moving and your mind sharp. Try spending 15 to 30 minutes outside each day, ideally in the morning when the sun is soft. Walk in a park or around your block. This boosts vitamin D, strengthens your leg muscles, and supports autophagy, keeping your cells healthy. If sunlight is hard to come by, eat foods like salmon, mackerel, egg yolks, or fortified milk and orange juice. You can also ask your doctor about vitamin D supplements to stay on track. Dr. Takayuki Teruya says fasting makes vitamin D work even better by improving your metabolism, so your muscles and bones get the most benefit. Second, try intermittent fasting to power up your legs. Intermittent fasting is a practice rooted in Japanese culture where many elders naturally skip meals or avoid late-night snacks. It means going 12 to 16 hours without eating, giving your body time to rest and repair. Dr. Teruya's research shows fasting does more than help with weight. It boosts metabolism, increases antioxidants, and supports muscle repair, which is great for your legs. Fasting reduces inflammation in your muscles and joints, making them less stiff and more flexible. It also helps your body use vitamin D better, keeping your bones and muscles strong. Here's how to do it. Finish dinner early, around 6 or 7 p.m., and wait until breakfast, around 8 or 9 a.m. This creates a 14-hour fasting window. Your body uses this time to repair cells, including those in your leg muscles. Start with 12 hours and work up to 16 if it feels good. Always check with your doctor if you have health concerns. Dr. Yumiharu Ishihara suggests a modified fast. A liquid breakfast like fresh carrot or apple juice, no lunch, and 1 solid meal a day. Carrot juice, packed with vitamin A, helps muscle recovery, while apple juice offers antioxidants to ease inflammation. Pear juice with a few plant-based diet and practice hara hachibu. What you eat is just as important as when you eat. Doctor? Hiromi Shinya promotes a diet rich in vegetables, fruits, whole grains, and fermented foods like miso and natto. These foods are full of enzymes and nutrients that reduce inflammation and keep your leg muscles strong. They also support autophagy, helping your legs stay resilient. Vitamin D works best with a balanced diet. Eat leafy greens, broccoli, and soybeans for calcium and magnesium, which team up with vitamin D to strengthen bones. Fish like salmon or sardines gives you vitamin D and omega-3 second, which ease joint pain and boost mobility. Dr. Shinya also says to drink plenty of water to keep muscles working well. Hara hachibu, a tradition from Okinawa, means eat until you're 80% full. This prevents overeating, reduces body stress, and supports autophagy. Dr. Hinohara, who lived to 105, followed this, eating light meals and avoiding sugar and processed foods. Overeating can cause inflammation and weaken your legs, so stopping at 80% full keeps you light and energized. Try eating smaller portions of nutrient-rich foods like steamed veggies, brown rice, and grilled fish. Chew slowly and stop before you're stuffed. Skip sugary snacks, sodas, and processed foods as they spike insulin and harm muscle health. Here are a few extra tips to keep your legs strong. Stay active every day. Dr. Hinohara loved taking stairs instead of elevators and walking daily. Simple moves like leg lifts or squats at home build strength. Drink Japanese green tea, rich in antioxidants called catechins, to support muscle health and reduce inflammation. It's great during fasting or any time. And don't forget rest and joy, Dr. Hinohara said, a positive mindset and enjoying life are key to longevity. Stress can weaken muscles, so relax, simple daily laugh to boost your legs. In the morning, spend 15 minutes in the sun for vitamin D. Drink water and a small glass of carrot or apple juice to break your fast. Do 10 minutes of stretching or walking. During the day, skip lunch or have a light snack like nuts or green tea to extend fasting. Stay active with a short walk or chores. In the evening, eat a plant-based dinner with veggies, fish, and whole grains. Stop at 80% full. Finish dinner early for a 12 to 16-hour fasting window. All day, stay hydrated, avoid processed foods, and find moments to smile. These habits work because they tap into your body's natural strength. Vitamin D builds bones and muscles, fasting boosts autophagy to repair cells, and a plant-based diet fights inflammation. Dr. Osumi's work shows autophagy is vital for health, while Dr. Teruya, Dr. Hinohara, Dr. Ishihara, and Dr. Shinya prove simple habits like fasting, mindful eating, and staying active can transform your life. Your legs carry you through every step of your journey. With these tips, you can keep them strong, move easily, and live vibrantly, even at 94. Start today and let your legs lead you to a healthier, happier future.